Hello everyone, this is Jack from One Ocean. So today I will explain our company product DSP coupling. DSP coupling is French standards coupling. So it's fair coupling. So there have some difference. So today I will explain to you. So there have three sizes. Our sample, this one is DN65. So we also have DN100. This is big size. So the 100, there is no curve, you can see. But the DN50, they have curve inside. So you can see my finger there. They have two curve. Then see, the important thing is there. See? There. They have point. So they can turn, not fully turn. You can see they only can turn, see, 1/4 only. So how they connect together? So I bring another one. Okay. So okay, you like this to turn. You just turn this lock. This is lock ring. So we turn the lock ring, so we lock together. Okay, so this is DSP fair coupling. Okay, so if you have any inquiry, please contact with me. Thank you.